Baltimore County's Animal Services is defending its program after a scathing report called into question how the division handles animal abuse investigations. Kimberly Eaton reports on what its lead veterinarian has to say about the pages of allegations.
Animal Services responding Thursday, saying the allegations simply aren't accurate, and going one step further, inviting county council auditors to come in and conduct an independent review. The doors are open at Baltimore County Animal Services. Director Dr. Melissa Jones says welcoming a review of their programs days after the release of a 22-page report criticizing the division.
My question is, how could anyone question that and think that we would willingly allow animals in our communities to suffer? You know, when we work so hard to protect them.
Raising those questions, the Animal Services Advisory Commission, designed to advise the County Council on animal care. They launched an 8-month investigation into Animal Services after pictures surfaced of a dog named Oscar left to die in a yard in Arbutus in sub-freezing temperatures last New Year's Eve. Records later showed that witnesses had called Animal Services, but no officer responded.
We immediately reached out to the county administrative officer and said, we need a meeting. We need to know what happened. We need to understand it so that we can explain it to our commission members. And he said there will be no meeting.
Now they're asking for far more than a meeting, requesting an independent investigation. It could come on the heels of a review done just months ago by Team Shelter USA, an animal shelter consultant.
The County Animal Services just underwent an independent review earlier this year that found that our program is progressive and innovative and should be considered a national model for other municipal shelters.
Dr. Jones admits that wasn't always the case. She fears what she calls the inaccurate claims in the report could destroy programs she spent years improving in order to get more animals out of the shelter alive.
From where we were 5 years ago, I would have said absolutely this place needed an overhaul. We needed veterinarians. We needed, more people to get the animals the help that they needed, and we have so much support now.
And in terms of when County Council auditors may come in to conduct their review, we're told there is no timeline at this point. Reporting in Baltimore County, I'm Kimberly Eaton for WJZ.